Hello folks, as you have enjoyed my last video, we were in the south. Now from that location, from Beihai, we are in the north, but this location is also the southwest of China. We are in Chengdu, the first tier city, the capital city of Sichuan province, where I used to live. I lived in this city for last 20 years. I know this place inside out. So let's see. Today we are going to IKEA to buy something because in Lipu we don't have IKEA. IKEA is in Nanning city, which is the capital of Guangxi province. So we are here in Chengdu anyway. So why not just visit and buy some what we need? Because Lipu is kind of 6 hours away from Nanning, so that's why we just don't want to go there. So yeah, so let's go and enjoy the video. First thing in IKEA to have a lunch. Today we are having a very late lunch, and here is my drink. This is not alcohol, this is non-alcohol because I'm driving today. Chicken rice, tiramisu, and salmon salad. There is a pie, spaghettis, and salad. This is kind of feast here when you are here in IKEA. So it's like a nice sitting, arrangement, and it's clean. So yeah, so it's like the fine dining. Not really, but it's like a fine dining. 사자. Alright folks, we have almost finished. Like, this is what I have in my cart, and we are in the line to pay the money, and then we'll go home. Yes, waiting for a long queue. Folks, we have finished our shopping. She's still packing inside. We have bought the bowls and pans and all the ceramic stuff. She's packing them, and I'm sitting here because that I am old man, so I got tired. So I'm sitting here and waiting for her if she finishes. Sorry, not if she finishes, when she finishes, and then we will go home. So I don't know if I will continue this vlog here, but if it continues, then you will keep watching that one. If I finish here, so that it finish here. All right? Wanama? Oh. Just now I made a terrible mistake. I thought my video is like 14 minutes already done, but it haven't finished. Hello. So so it was like my last video, like today's video I added on this timeline. But anyways, so I will continue making the video. So it will be like my food, my wife, she's there. Just now those girls over there. I was speaking English, and that is quite, not very normal for people to listen a guy speaking English from the back. So yeah, I said hello to them. So we will go out maybe in the night because that I have taken my Sony camera, right? A7 M4. I took my film roll camera, that Nikon F3 HP, and I'm using this goddamn cell phone because that one A7 M4 is quite obvious to making videos in the malls and all these shopping places. And the still camera, and she refused to come in front of my camera, so I couldn't make the video. So let's go to the room and have some rest. Then we will come downstairs to eat in the restaurant, and then I think I will finish this video in Chengdu because here I had my office. I was shutting it down because I opened my company in Guilin. So I'm just paying rent here. So I'm not doing any business here. So I shut down my office, and I will show you the stuff that is in my car. And what else? Why I came here? I had a kind of like, the legal matters here to finish. Those are almost finished, but haven't finished yet. So I have to come that often. So last year I came here like 1,000 times, but I didn't make a video because every time I made a video of my driving, that I show just, make the video of the road and expressway. And now I have found it out that showing expressway is not that fun, right? So yeah, so let's go to the hotel room. I said it like the third time. Just now I was like, sitting and watching YouTube videos. All of a sudden, she told me to go outside for a walk. I said, okay. And another thing is that my Nikon, that film camera, it wasn't working another day when we were in Beihai. So it didn't have the battery. So now I have a battery inside, it can work. And I have, that 50mm 1.2 lens. So we are going to the nearest mall and I will take photos, whose photos? Her photos. Because she doesn't know how to take photos, so she will not take my photos. So I only will take her photos because it's already like, that evening now, it will dark soon. So it will have like enough light. So we will have tomorrow, one day, in Chengdu, maybe day after tomorrow afternoon, we will leave. And I will go back to Guilin. So I was thinking to make that 4 or 5 vlogs, but maybe this will be like our second last vlog of this trip. Like I will only make maybe 3 vlogs. So today there's a one video uploaded. I'm making this video and tomorrow there will be another video I will record and I will see when I will upload, because I'm okay to make videos, but uploading, editing, oh my god. I'm not lazy, just sometimes, like I'm walking now in the evening. When I will get back home, I will be so tired to edit them, so that's a problem. Anyways, I will see you again when we'll be in that mall. Oh damn, it's a shopping time. Yeah. Okay, let her do shopping and I'm playing with my Nikon F3 HP. I was just now on the first floor and I just had smelled something so nice, and I'm now on the ground floor and there are too many places to eat all around and it smells nice, but there is no place to sit. That's the problem. So we are just wandering all over if we can have some place to sit. And another thing is that my Nikon, I just finished one roll which was in my camera for last 1 year. So we have finished. Now I have a Fomapan 400 black and white roll inside. I will try my best to finish, but let's see. And the problem is that my wife, she knows how to take my photos and I know how to take her photo. But if we ask someone else, because it's not a digital camera, so that's why you have to focus with hand on the lens. So people, the young kids, they don't know. If I ask some middle-aged or old people, their eyes are like me, so it will have a problem for them to focus and the photo will not be in a focus. So that is expensive. The roll, film photography is expensive. So I didn't have to ask people. So that I will take her photo and she will take my photo. So we'll try to finish the roll. Let's see. My beef noodles, and these are the dry noodles with some kind of lean meat and minced lean meat. This is some pickle, Chinese pickle, Okay, let's time to eat. Let's eat. Let's time to eat. It's time to eat. All right, folks. We were in that mall, but there was nothing, we could eat. And now we are here to eat some noodles. Beef noodles. Let's see how they're like, So I don't know how long this video is. Let me check. How long this video is at the moment. So if it's like a 7, 8, 10 minutes, then it's okay. I will finish here, but I don't know. Just like I said earlier, I have no idea. All right, folks. Sorry. I'm really going to finish my video because it's long enough. It will take time to edit. We have eaten our noodles and we are going back home. It's dark outside, so I'm not going to make any video. So let's finish it here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, try to subscribe. Try to comment, like. And if you really like more than liking and commenting, you can subscribe. So you can see the more interesting or my boring face every time when I upload the video. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.